Okay, so I've got the stage 1 kit on it. I really should do something about this. I have it coming out back here. Looks like there's a little bit of gas coming out of it. That's the gas tank vent. So I probably should not have it so long, because it might be siphoning once a little bit of liquid gas gets into it and splashes into it. It might siphon more out. So might be better to cut it and just, I don't know, maybe run it up under the seat and zip tie it or something. But anyway, stage 1, I put the low restriction air filter on it, and I rejetted it. I don't know if I covered this before, but I put a new carburetor on it, which cost like $12 or something, shipped, $12 or $13. And the difference between it and the original carb, this is the earlier non-EPA original carb, and it's got the air fuel mixture, idle mixture adjustment. And apparently the jets are different too, because with the original carb the jets were interchangeable, but I put a number, let's see, it came with a number 72, and I put a number 85, which was the smallest upsized jet I had, and it was way rich. Of course, that was also with the original air intake with the filter unshrouded, but that was pretty low restriction anyway. So it was super rich with number 85. I put a number 90 with this new carburetor. It wouldn't even run with the number 85, and or it wouldn't run with the jets I tried in it anyway. So it would start on choke, but even warm, as soon as I took the choke off, it would die. So I went to number 90, and it did okay, but was still lean. So I changed it to a number 97. I had a number 95 and a number 97, and I put the 97 in it. And I think it's still running a little bit lean. So I've got some more jets on order. I think I'm going to put a number 105 in it and see how it runs with that. But we'll try an eighth of a mile run with the number 97 jet in this. And of course I've got the pipe on it and the screw-in Briggs & Stratton muffler. And so let's do an eighth mile run and see how it compares to the original. Predator 224, stage 1, number 97 jet. Okay, so with the earlier run I did, which was not 100% stock, but was basically stock equivalent, it had the unshrouded original filter and pretty much the original jetting and the original carburetor. Actually, it was the original jetting. It was the original jetting, original carburetor. The only thing it had was the pipe, and it had the unshrouded original filter. So it did, in the eighth of a mile, it did 19.519 seconds. So about 19 and a half seconds at 42.64 miles per hour. And I'll go ahead and tell you the quarter mile time. No, I won't, because I think I slowed down before I reached the quarter mile. I still had it running, but I think I got out of the throttle, so it doesn't matter. And but the maximum speed I achieved was 44.78 miles per hour. 44.78. And on this run, I actually did hold it for the quarter mile, but can't really compare because I wasn't trying for the quarter mile on the first run. Okay, so let's look at this run. This run was 15.471 seconds in the eighth at 42.28 miles per hour. Did the quarter mile in 26 and a half seconds at 44 miles per hour. But that doesn't matter because we don't have a good comparison. And besides, we're concentrating on the 8th mile. Now it did do maximum speed. It did 49.37 miles per hour, so almost 50 miles per hour with the stage 1. And 15 and a half seconds. So that's a good 4 seconds off the 8th mile time that it did before. And I'm trying for 10 seconds. And I think we're going to be able to reach it. So, thanks for watching, and keep watching if you're interested in this kind of content.